Losing weight can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to maintaining breast size. Women often worry that weight loss will cause their breasts to shrink or sag. However, there are several techniques that can help you lose weight without making your breasts smaller. Here are some tips. Focus on cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is the best way to burn calories and lose weight without losing breast size. It increases your heart rate and helps you burn fat. Try to incorporate 30 to 60 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise like walking, running, cycling, or swimming at least 5 times per week. Resistance training. Resistance training is another effective way to lose weight without losing breast size. It helps you build muscle mass, which in turn increases your metabolism, helping you burn more calories. Aim to include strength training exercises like weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or resistance band workouts 2 to 3 times a week. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet is essential to losing weight without losing breast size. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and drinks, and limit your intake of alcohol. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential to losing weight without losing breast size. Drinking water can help you feel fuller, which can prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day, and avoid sugary drinks. Wear a supportive bra. Wearing a supportive bra can help you maintain your breast size during weight loss. Look for bras with good support, wide straps, and a full cup. A sports bra is also an excellent option for exercise. Take it slow. Losing weight slowly and steadily is the best way to prevent breast size reduction. Aim to lose no more than 1 to 2 pounds per week. This can help you maintain your breast size while still achieving your weight loss goals. In conclusion, losing weight without losing breast size is possible with the right techniques. By incorporating cardiovascular exercise, strength training, a balanced diet, staying hydrated, wearing a supportive bra, and taking it slow, you can achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing your breast size.